This is one of the posters that I've created for the Rookie to Rainmaker series. It's one of the posters that younger lawyers can use to help their clients understand why going to court is not the best solution for them. We like to say that every dispute is unique. You're unique, your opposition is unique, and therefore your solution should be unique. As long as you can agree on terms and they're not illegal, together you can basically create the law for your own situation. And I tell clients this a lot. In fact, I used to teach it when I taught law school to young lawyers. What is the law? The law is the default when you can't agree on a better choice for you and your unique situation. So then the question comes back to me, well, why do we have the law then? And the answer is simple. The legislature created the law for people who can't agree. And there are plenty of people out there who cannot agree. But I will tell you that 9 out of 10 cases settle in some form of alternate dispute resolution, either mediation or collaboration or something, cooperation, some negotiation style. Doesn't matter which one, people finally come to terms because they know that going to court is a crapshoot. So going to court is the fallback position. It's the lowest common denominator. I like to say that the legislature created the law for the most common person, the most average situation, which is usually not my client. My client knows that he's unique and his situation is unique. So I always say to them, do you want to go in front of a judge who really is going to apply a one-size-fits-all cookie cutter to your situation when you can create a solution that's going to work best for you and possibly for the other side? So this is basically the discussion that I have. I'm certainly happy to talk about what I think the law is. Of course, the problem with that is the judge may not agree with me. The judge may apply his own values to interpret the statute, and then we end up with an unhappy client if the client thought that my answer about what the law was the right answer. So I'm quick to tell clients that we have to weigh everything with a grain of salt. You never know what a judge is going to do. A judge is not you, and even though you see the rightness of your position, if you will, you have to trust that the judge is probably going to see something more in the middle between you and your opposing party. And so if there's some way that you can come to a solution without going in front of a judge, something that you can accept and your opposing party can live with as well, then that's going to be best for you, especially if your relationship with the opposing party, let's say your employer or your partner, is going to continue past this problem that the two of you have had. So that's the law should be your last resort poster.